My dear student, now in video number 2, I want to discuss again the problem of maxima minima, how this problem will be discussed in case of study. Let cone is inscribed in a sphere of radius r, capital R. The height and radius of cone are a small h and a small r respectively. Based on above information, answer the following questions. My dear student, though this problem is very, very important, this question will be asked, what will be the maximum height of the cone which is inscribed in a sphere and what will be its volume? Prove that the volume of the cone is 8 by 27 times of the volume of sphere. ये सवाल ऐसे भी बहुत important. My dear student, you must solve this problem independently also. So, the relation between a small r and r in terms of x is r is equal to root over r square plus x square, where x is what? Distance of the surface of the cone from the center, and a small r is the radius of the cone, and capital R is the radius of the sphere. So here there are how many options? You can observe that there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sub-problems. And first is, in right angle triangle OAC we have to prove the first. In first we have to prove there are 5 options. What will be the correct value of R? A small r. So you can see that OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. OA is capital R square is equal to x square plus r square. In this way, a small r is equal to root over r square minus x square, and this is option B. So option B is correct option. Now, volume of cone, V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And we just here determined the value of a small r is equal to root over r square minus x square. And value of h is r plus x. So after solving, we will get 1 by 3 pi r plus x whole square into r minus x. So B is correct option. Priya Vidyarthiyo, you just observe that there is no involvement of calculus in proving the result of sub-problem number 1 and sub-problem number 2. So this is very, very important to fetching good marks in solving by solving the problem of maxima and minima in the case of case study. So you must solve this problem. Now, the sub-problem number 3 is important, in which you have to find the maximum volume. Here V is the volume of the cone, 1 by 3 pi r plus x whole square r minus x. 1 by 3 pi r square plus r square into h. dv by dx, 1 by 3 pi 2 r plus x into r minus x. And we differentiate it by u and v method. We have this result. 1 by 3 pi r plus x r minus 3x. So for maximum volume, value of dv by dx we put 0. So 1 by 3 pi r plus x r minus 3x is equal to 0. So r minus 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to r by 3. This is the relation between the x and radius of the sphere. Now dv by dx is equal to 1 by 3 pi r plus x r minus 3x. This is dv by dx. We again differentiate it to get d2v by dx square. And after differentiating by u and v method, what do you observe? It will be minus 2r minus 6, and taking common minus, it will be 1 by 3 pi 2r plus 6x. So when x is equal to r by 3, when x is equal to r by 3, by putting the value of x is equal to r by 3, we have d2b by dx square at x is equal to r by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 pi 2r plus 6x. And x is equal to r by 3. So after solving, we get minus 4 by 3 pi r. So d2b by dx square at x is equal to r by 3 is negative. So volume of the cone is maximum when x is equal to r by 3. So what will the maximum volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So in this way, after solving this, we will get 32 pi by 81 r cube. Yani 32 by 81 into pi r cube. So in this way, A is the correct answer. Now, in problem number 4, the volume is maximum when r is equal to capital R square minus x square square root. So relation between, after solving relation between small r means the radius of the cone and radius of the sphere is, radius of the cone is 2 into root 2 3 times of the radius of the sphere. This is very, very important. So h is equal to r plus x. So h is what? Height of the cone. Relation between height of the cone and height of the sphere is h is equal to 4r by 3. So it is very, very important. So radius of the cone is equal to 2 root 2 by 3r. So h is equal to 4r by 3. So A is correct option. Required ratio, volume of cone by volume of a sphere is equal to, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi small r square h. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. And putting the value of a small r is equal to 2 root 2 root 2 by 3 into r whole square. And we will get, after solving, we will get the ratio will be 8 by 27. So volume of cone is equal to 8 by 27 volume of the sphere. It is a very, very important problem. And this, in this way, we get important result. My dear student, this is my suggestion that you must solve this problem 3 to 4 times so that you would be able to solve the problem in the board examination. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I solve problem number 2. A building has front gate has the figure as shown below. This is the front gate of the building. It is a trapezium. It is the shape of trapezium whose 3 sides other than base is 10 meter. Through 3 sides other than this is base is 10 meter. So height of the gate is h meter. On the basis of the above figure, answer the following questions. Here there are 5 sub-questions. The relation between x and h. There are 4 options. The area of gate A expressed is a function of x. Here there are 4 options. The value of x when A is maximum is, here there are 4 options. The value of a small h when A is maximum is, here there are 4 options. And maximum value of A in meter is, here there are 4 options. And we will discuss one by one. So my dear student, in right angle triangle APD, you can observe that AP square plus PD square is equal to AD square. And AP is x square plus h square is equal to 10 square. So we get relation x square plus h square is equal to 100. So option B is correct. We have x square, small x square plus h square is equal to 100. The small h square is equal to 100 minus x square. So h is equal to root over 100 minus x square. Now area of gate is equal to area of trapezium ABCD is equal to A is equal to half AB plus CD into DP. Half AB. This AB is 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 2x. And CD is equal to 10, CD is equal to 10 into DP. And after solving, we have 10 plus x root over 100 minus x square. So option C is correct. We have a is equal to 10 plus x root over 100 minus x square. Now dA by dx, we differentiate it. Now here we apply the u and v formula. And after differentiating, we will get 100 minus 10x minus 2x square, 100 minus x square. So for maximum value, dA by dx is equal to 0. So putting dA by dx is equal to 0, we get x square plus 5x minus 50. And after factorizing, we will get x plus 10 into x minus 5. So x is equal to 5. X is not equal to minus 10. Since dA by dx is equal to 100 minus 10x minus 2x square divided by root over 100 minus x square. Now, after differentiating it, again d2a by dx square and solving, we get a relation 2x cube minus 300x minus 1000 divided by 100 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. This step you must do 2 to 3 times. Now, at the point x is equal to 5, d2a by dx square, value of d2a by dx square after solving is minus 30 root 75. So a is maximum at x is equal to 5. Option A is correct. My dear student, the sub problem 3 is very, very important in each problem as you observed. So you must solve this problem, solve this step, solve this sub problem 2 to 3 times, at least 4 times. Then you can solve this problem. We have h is equal to root over 100 minus x square. So root over 100 minus 25. So it will be 5 root 3 meter. So option B is correct. Maximum value of a is 1 by 2 10 plus 5 root over 100 minus 25. So 1 by 2 75 root 3 meter square. So option A is correct. Now I want to discuss this problem, problem number 3. A tag making company made a toy in which a cylinder is inscribed in a sphere. The height and radius of cylinder is capital H and capital R respectively, while the radius of the sphere is A. On the basis of above information, observe and answer the following questions. There are 5 sub-questions. In problem number 1, the relation between capital R and H is, there are 4 options. The value of volume of cylinder V in term of H is, there are 4 options. The value of H when V is maximum is, there are 4 options. And the value of R and V, the value of R when V is maximum is, there are also 4 options. The value of maximum, the value of maximum volume is 4, there are also 4 options. So my dear student, now we have EF is equal to H. See this figure. EF is equal to H, height of the cylinder. OE is equal to 1 by 2 EF, 1 by 2 EF, that is 1 by 2 H. So the height is, because the here OA is the what? Radius of this sphere. Now in triangle AOE, OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. That is A square is equal to H by 2 whole square plus R square. So it will be R square plus H square by 4 is equal to A square. Hence C is correct answer. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. And we put the value of A and the value of capital R. Capital R is equal to A square minus H by 2 whole square. That is A square minus H square of 4 into H. So volume of cylinder in term of H is pi A square H minus S cube by 4. So A is correct answer. Since V, volume of cylinder, is A square H minus H cube by 4 into pi. So dv by dh is equal to pi a square h minus 3 h square by 4. So we differentiated dv by dh is equal to pi a square minus 3 h square by 4. So my dear students, for maximum dv by dh is equal to 0. Pi a square minus 3h square by 4. 3h square by 4 is equal to a square. So relation between height of the cylinder, and radius of the sphere is, height of the cylinder is 2 by root 3 times the height of the radius of the sphere. Now dv by dh is equal to pi a square minus 3h square by 4. Again d2v by dh square is equal to pi 0 minus 6h by 4. So d2v by dh square is equal to minus 6 by 4 pi, and the value of h we have already determined is 2 by root 3 into a. So v is maximum at h is equal to 2 by root 3 a. Hence D is correct option. D is correct option. Now capital R square is equal to a square minus h square by 4, and we have already determined h is equal to 2 by root 3a. So relation between radius of the R is the radius of the cylinder and a is the radius of a sphere is root 2 by 3 times of the radius of a sphere is equal to radius of cylinder. So B is correct option. Maximum volume of V, pi r square h. Maximum volume of V, that is volume of cylinder, is equal to pi root 3 by 2a whole square 2 root 3a. That is 4 pi 3 by root 3 a cube. Hence option A is correct. Option A is correct. Problem number volume of cylinder. So the value of the volume of cylinder, the value of volume of the maximum volume of the value of maximum volume of cylinder is, there are 4 options. So in this way we can solve this problem. My dear student, I tried my best to solve different types of problems which are equally important for the examination, CBSE board of examination. It will be asked in the form, it will be asked independently in the chapter of maximum minimum. So these problems are very, very important for the case of study. I hope you must solve this problem frequently so that you would be able to solve the problem in the board examination. Thank you. Thank you very much.